70% of our nation's goods move on roads. 70% of Apollo Tyres' revenues are from commercial vehicles. Truckers are our biggest stakeholders.
The health of our stakeholders is the health of our business.
The Sanjay Gandhi Transport Nagar in Delhi. This is Asia's biggest road transshipment hub. Up to 7,000 trucks pass through every day. 50,000 truckers, mechanics and support staff live here. Puppeteers tell a story of a snake charmer and his cobras. As the audience laps it up, a doctor introduces the topic of safe sex. Among the audience is Shashikant, a truck driver. Apollo Tyres believes that awareness can stop the spread of HIV. It has partnered with Care India and voluntary health services to tackle the problem. An Apollo peer educator engages Shashikant in a one-to-one session. He is invited to visit the Apollo Healthcare Centre. Each healthcare centre is staffed with a doctor, counsellor, pharmacist and outreach workers. They offer counselling, promote condoms and safe sex and refer suspected HIV or AIDS patients to hospitals.
ट्रक ड्राइवरों के साथ हमारा उठना बैठना और मैकेनिकों के साथ हैं और वो हमें जब मिलते हैं अपनी परेशानी बताते हैं मैं उनको लेकर समाज सेवा के चलते क्लिनिक जाता हूँ.
Truckers like Shashikant are so impressed by Apollo's efforts that they volunteer to become unpaid peer educators and spread awareness about sexually transmitted diseases. Tropical Kerala is the site of Apollo Tyres' first plant. Kerala has 2 factories at Perumbara and Kalamassery.
Fight the war against HIV. The battle begins at home.
These employees are not discussing productivity or bonus. They are working out ways to implement Apollo Tyres' workplace sexual health program. This is how it works. The International Labour Organization trains a handful of master trainers. Master trainers train dozens of peer educators. Together, they engage employees at the workplace. Febi's job is to supervise the finishing of tyres. But he and his colleague Kochu Devasi are training dozens of peer educators. Peer educators Muhammad Ibrahim and Shiva Prasad unleash themselves on the workforce at lunch hour. Know and be aware, says Ibrahim. Understand and spread the word, says Shiva Prasad. So involved is the workforce that they devised their own skit to spread awareness.
The skit touched the hearts of people and overnight they came together for the cause.
Death and disability are natural consequences of war. Former soldiers need livelihoods more than monetary compensation.
The only sustainable initiatives are those which have a positive impact on business.
Rajesh Kumar left the army after serving for 18 years. His brother lost his life in the Kargil war and Rajesh had to take care of the family. Soldiers have a lot of pride in their own abilities. Working with the War Wounded Foundation, the Apollo Tyres marketing team developed a new business model for dealers. Today, more than 50 such dealerships for former soldiers are from the hinterland and have opened a new market for the company. That is not all. Apollo Tyres arranges for disabled soldiers to be fitted with artificial limbs so they can become self-reliant once again. Light and extremely strong, these limbs are made to order and tailored to precisely fit the recipient with the least inconvenience. Limda in Gujarat is home to Apollo Tyres' most modern plant. Almost all the plant employees live in Vadodara, 20 kilometers away, and commute to work every day.
A healthy local community is of direct benefit to the plant and the organization.
Pramatesh Desai lies unconscious on the road. He awaits the police or a kind soul to take him to the hospital.
92,500 people died of road traffic accidents in India last year. 80% could have been saved.
एक्सीडेंट हुआ है।
Help is on its way as soon as a passerby dials the emergency helpline. The control room mobilizes an ambulance and alerts the nearest hospital all within 5 minutes. Apollo Tyres supports Lifeline, an organization which runs an emergency medical service program in Vadodara. Even as the victim is rushed to the hospital, he is stabilized. The Lifeline Foundation has so far evacuated more than 2,000 seriously injured victims. It has also attended more than 1,700 accidents with minor and moderate injuries. All of Apollo Tyres' manufacturing facilities are styled to be in harmony with nature. Conservation and environmental issues are primary concerns.
We need to ensure that our use of the environment is sustainable and regenerating.
Apollo Tyres' manufacturing unit in Limda is an oasis of green. The factory buys water from the Narmada, eschewing its free groundwater sources. Effluent treatment plants ensure that every drop is recycled. The plant is gradually shifting from oil to gas as its principal fuel. Gas turbines are highly energy efficient and less noisy. Waste heat from the turbines can be recovered to generate steam.
Latest technology and quality business processes make robust business sense and reflects our commitment to environment.
All this has decreased greenhouse gases like nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide, enabling Apollo Tyres to accumulate and trade in carbon credits. The Apollo Tyres Limda plant borrows its name from a village nearby. Most of the surrounding population looks up to the plant as a source of employment.
When we secure our social environment, we secure our business future.
When Apollo wanted to invest for the future, it decided to encourage children. These students at the local school are crowding around computers donated by the company. The school building has been repaired and maintained by Apollo Tyres. The young women in the village learn to operate sewing machines at a vocational training class. Others attend adult literacy classes organized by the company. The company doctor visits the village every week. Medicines are provided free to the villagers.
આ ગામ એટલું ઝડપથી વિકાસ કરી રહ્યું છે લાગે છે કે એટલું ઝડપથી આદર્શ ગામ બની જશે.